I didn't even realize how much I was carrying until I broke down over something as small as a missed text. That's when I knew my heart was full, but not with joy. It was full of everything I never let myself feel.
We scroll, we smile, we push forward. But inside, there's a quiet storm. I was surviving, not living. So I decided to pause. Not just my phone, but my mind. I needed an emotional detox.
The first step was silence. Real silence. No music, no notifications. Just me and the thoughts I kept running from. I started journaling. At first, it felt silly, but soon it became my mirror. I cried. I forgave. I remembered who I was before the world told me who to be.
I stopped blaming myself for things that were never mine to carry. I stopped giving my peace to people who didn't know what to do with freedom. If you're tired, it's okay. If you feel broken, you're not alone. Healing isn't linear, and you don't need to have it all figured out. Start by sitting with yourself. You'll be surprised how much love is still there, waiting for you.
Have you ever tried an emotional detox? Share your story in the comments.
Subscribe for more content that heals, inspires, and transforms.